Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to some more Penguin Diner 2, my restaurant. Last time we finished off the first area, Terra Penguinia. Now we're moving on to Birdland. Starting off day 1 here in Birdland. Nice, I actually appreciate that. They go ahead and actually count it as different areas days. Instead of like the first game, it actually builds up and it accumulates the days. I really appreciate they actually separate the days and count for different places. So this is day 1 here in Birdland.
Hello.
And we still have Chef LB down there cooking stuff for us.
Hello.
And he's really fast, so that's why.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Let's clear up the table.
Hello. Hello.
Hey-o.
Hello. Hello.
A little trouble here. Let's get that guy over there. Get those guys' order up there.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, wrong table. Huh.
Hello. Hello.
Let's get that guy over there. You go here. You go here. Got that guy's order.
Hello.
Table's free. Let's get that guy in. That girl, I mean, that's a girl. Get in there. Let's get that guy's money over there. Clear the table.
Hello.
And we're done with this day.
Hello.
Let's get that money. And that's the new thing that just popped up. Let's wait for the order. Nope, order first. And we grab our coins and wait for this guy. Alright, so far first day in Birdland is not too bad. And there are actually no differences in the design of this stuff, though. That's unfortunate. In the first game, they have different designs for different areas. But in this one, they don't. That kind of sucks. We have 423. It's time to get some cool stuff here. We're gonna buy this actually. And we're waiting for buying the last one. Next day, day 2. We got our thing replaced by a television over there. A lot of pairs.
Hello.
Or girls though.
Hello.
And there's the first mixed pairs. See these lovebirds at tables with flowers to get more tips. There they are. If you actually put lovers together, you can get actually more tips. So that's why I try to have tables arranged accordingly.
Hello.
That's why there's the lovebirds that I'm saying with mixed gender birds. It's actually not hard to actually recognize because they should have very clear distinctive features that they're actually one boy, one girl, so yeah, those are dudes. Those are two dudes over there, so don't even need to care about that. Those are 2 dudes. But sometimes, of course, you will not be able to get actually the tables that you actually would want them to sit on because there's only 2 tables actually with flowers every single day.
Hello.
So that's why it's not ideal to actually wait for a specific table to be open before you actually let them in. Okay, we got another lovebird over there. Perfect. We got the perfect timing because this is a table for them.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, come on, go. Oh, just came in, huh? Let's wait for these guys to get out. You can get in there.
Hello.
Got that, and we're done. We've introduced lovebirds in this game, in this day today. That's the new concept that we got in today. That's why the second game is way more fun because they're different genders of stuff. In the first game, they're only dudes, so that's why. Waiting for that, and we wait for this one, and that's it for this day. We'll do one more day. We should have enough money to actually get some stuff, so let's go and buy some stuff. 480. We have 2 stars. Let's go and get our next outfit, which is the last outfit. And let's go and get the... We have got that one up. Let's go and get the tables. 1 extra table, more customers, finally. I can't buy any of these. Next day. Day 3 in Birdland. We have 6 tables now, so that's why it's cooler. This is not a lovebird. These are 2 girls. Try not to use the tables with the flowers because now you know that there are lovers coming in. So that's why just try not to use the flower tables.
Hello.
Just use the normal tables until the end. And that's just have to go with that.
Hello.
Yeah, when there's no choice, you just have to go with it.
Hello. Hello.
Go there. Tables are kind of arranged in a weird way after the extra table comes in.
Hello.
Oh, wait, wrong. That's alright. Try to use these tables without the flowers.
Hello. Hello.
And that's not a lovebird. That's just 2 girls. So.
Hello.
And that's just 2 girls. So just go there.
Hello.
That's a loverbird. I should try to save the money. Try to actually save here first. That's a loverbird, so try to do that and get extra money. Although they need to wait might be a little longer time, but just have to go with it.
Hello.
Sometimes there are no choice, and more tables, so it's hard to see where the actually
Hello.
guys are like ready to order or something like that. Let's go get that guy. Just a 1 girl, get over there. This table. And that's it for the day. Okay, not too bad of the day, which is pretty smooth actually still.
Hello.
And with Caesar salad or seaweed salad or whatever that is, just a normal salad bowl here. And for this guy, there we go. Now we grab our money. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time after I collect these guys' money. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace! Our first thing is to actually buy things, yeah? Upgrade. Upgrade first before we actually end. 500. Let's go and get these things up there first. There we go. And our peace.